Hello, investors. Welcome to the channel where I use technical analysis to find possible swing trades. Today, we're taking a look at Casey's General Stores, ticker symbol CASY. This is a mid-cap company with a market cap around $10.4 billion. And researching a bit into the background of this company, I'd like to just read a little bit of the things that they offer here because it's a fairly impressive list. It says the stores offer pizza, donuts, breakfast items, sandwiches, tobacco, nicotine products, soft drinks, energy drinks, water, sports drinks, juices, coffee, tea, beer, wine, spirits, snacks, candy, packaged bakery goods, other food items, ice cream, meals, appetizers, health and beauty aids, automotive products, electronic accessories, housewares, pet supplies, an ATM, lottery, prepaid cards, as well as an attached gas station and car wash. So after reading about that, I find myself wishing there was a Casey's General Store near me. And here we have Casey's annual chart, and you'll see that it is way extended above all the moving averages. These giant candlesticks here shooting the share price up. And this is a very significant increase. As you can see, I went from 240 and it closed yesterday at 281.61 per share. So quite a run up there, well over 10% in just a few days. And that's from earnings and good guidance. But I wonder if the share price isn't just a bit overextended. And as these increases start to slow, you can certainly find a shorting opportunity here, I think. If you look at the RSI, you'll see that it is overbought and has turned sideways. Both stochastics are overbought and have started to turn down. And the volume has peaked and is falling, although we did get that one larger red candle right in the middle here. But the volume is falling back to normal, with preponderance of it being a buying pressure. And the MACD is well above zero. In fact, the highest it's been all year, and it's not showing any signs of falling again, but the increases are steadily slowing. And if we switch over to look at the fundamentals here, you'll see there is low short interest at 2.01% and high institutional ownership at over 86%. So smart money seems to think this is a solid investment. The debt shows it is lower than 65% of its peers, which is great. The PE ratio is above average here. 22.59 PE is higher than 70% of other companies in its industry, which certainly goes along with the idea that the share price has become a bit overextended. Gross margin is less than 63% of other companies in their industry. Gross margin of 21.46%. That's not a bad gross margin, of course, but it's obviously a bit below average. Again, the idea that this gross margin being below average does support the idea that the share price may not be sustainable at its current level. However, on the other hand, the operating margin is excellent at above 77% of its peers. Now, the operating margin is only 4.53%, but that reinforces the fact that this industry operates on very slim margins. And the return on equity for this company is good, shows that it beats out 79% of other companies in the industry, with a return on equity just shy of 18%. And the growth rate is greater than 69% of other companies in the industry. Now, the dividend is not really worth talking about, a 0.62% dividend yield. That is low and almost makes you wonder why they pay one in the first place. Regardless, these metrics aren't terrible. They're fair, and it would make me look into purchasing shares of Casey at the right price. But it does seem that when you have this big gap up and several long green candles here, the opportunity for shorting is certainly there. But I am interested to know what you think. Please let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And remember, none of this is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. These videos are for education, information, and discussion. But if you got something out of this, I would appreciate it if you hit the like button and subscribe to help out the channel. If you enjoy this kind of content, please hit the bell notification to be alerted when new videos are posted. And if you'd like me to take a look at a particular company using the indicators I present here, just mention that in the comments and I'll try to get to it as soon as I can. That's all for today. Thanks for watching and good luck with all your investments.